Imagine there's no heaven. Imagine there's no hell below us. What was that John guy thinking? Imagine Dragons is what I meant to say. That's the band that Dan Reynolds is in. He's seen here with some fallen angel wings. He's taking pride of sin. He's doing the slam dunk pose, covering half his face, covering one eye, having one eye revealed. His wife is covering one eye and has one eye revealed. It's probably a coincidence. They have a band called Egyptian because Egypt and God really got along. They're doing what looks like the vow of silence here as well. This is their young daughter doing it for some reason. One eye symbolism, the devil horns, the sign of success, the sign of success. Birds of a feather flock together. So this is Dan Reynolds hanging out, putting his arm around Youngblood. You know Youngblood. Youngblood, 666, keeping the secret, Freemason checkerboard, sixes over the eyes, and on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So, you know. Brothers and sisters, God bless you.